The price looks aggressive, and the release date might already be out. That's what makes this latest leak about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 so interesting. According to fresh details, the camera could arrive on April 20th, 2026, but since this hasn't been officially confirmed yet, it's creating a lot of curiosity around whether DJI will stick to that timeline and pricing strategy. A major source behind this leak is a Colombian-authorized DJI retailer called DroneTex, which has started promoting the Pocket 4 heavily through social media campaigns. This isn't a small hint or random rumor. The retailer appears to be actively preparing for sales, even teasing customers with early access through direct messages and WhatsApp. That level of promotion usually suggests the launch is very close. One of the biggest reveals from this campaign is the pre-sale pricing. The store has listed a promotional price of around 2,092,500 Colombian pesos, which converts to roughly 567 US dollars. This price is reportedly part of a limited, exclusive pre-sale deal, offering a noticeable discount compared to expected retail pricing. The offer seems to apply to the Creator Combo version, which is typically the most popular bundle since it includes extra accessories for content creators. Interestingly, the retailer hasn't publicly listed a direct purchase option yet, instead encouraging buyers to contact them privately for early access. That adds a bit of mystery and urgency to the whole situation. Looking at the global market expectations, the base version of the Pocket 4 is rumored to fall somewhere between $499 and $599, while the Creator Combo could range from $649 to $749. If the Colombian pricing is accurate, it's quite competitive and may even undercut other regional sellers. This raises an important question. Is DJI planning a more aggressive pricing strategy this time to dominate the compact camera segment? Beyond price, the leaked specifications also point to some meaningful upgrades. The Pocket 4 is expected to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which would be a major improvement for image quality, especially in low-light conditions. This alone could make a big difference for vloggers and mobile filmmakers who rely on compact gear. Video capabilities are also getting a boost. Reports suggest support for either 6K recording or high frame rate 4K at 120 frames per second. Combined with enhanced stabilization, the camera is expected to deliver smoother and sharper footage than previous models. DJI has always been strong in stabilization, but this time they are pushing it even further with what's being described as more advanced intelligent stabilization technology. Battery performance is another area seeing improvement. The device may include a battery around 1,545 mAh, allowing longer recording sessions without frequent charging. This is especially useful for travel creators or anyone shooting extended clips throughout the day. Design-wise, DJI seems to be sticking with its compact philosophy. The Pocket 4 is expected to remain small and lightweight, making it easy to carry anywhere. However, it's not just about size. Usability is also being refined. A rotatable touchscreen is expected, which should make framing shots more flexible, whether you're shooting vertically or horizontally. Audio integration is also getting attention. The camera is rumored to work seamlessly with the DJI Mic 2, which would be a big advantage for creators who need clean and professional sound without complicated setups. Another key improvement lies in the modular ecosystem. The Creator Combo and accessories are expected to be more refined, offering better flexibility for different shooting scenarios. This suggests DJI is focusing not just on the camera itself, but on the entire user experience. Now, coming back to the release timing, the most interesting part of this leak is how the April 20th, 2026 date was discovered. It didn't come from a press release or official announcement. Instead, it appeared in a reply from DroneTex to a customer asking about delivery. The reply clearly mentioned April 20th along with a price figure, making it the first time an authorized dealer has publicly hinted at a specific availability date. While this strongly suggests the launch is imminent, it's still important to remember that DJI has not officially confirmed anything yet. Until that happens, both the price and release date remain in the very likely but not final category. Still, when you combine retailer activity, detailed pricing, and full-spec leaks, it becomes clear that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor, it's right around the corner. The only thing left now is for DJI to make it official. Igor Bogdanov on X posted that the one-day manager of the largest Insta360 store in Shenzhen showed off the white Luna. Well, that's more interesting than all the hype surrounding the Avatar 360. Insta360 has become one of the most talked about brands in the world of action cameras and 360-degree imaging. From humble beginnings to leading innovations, the company continues to push boundaries. Among the most intriguing products in its lineup is the Insta360 Luna. This camera has started making waves among creators, tech enthusiasts, and professional videographers because it represents a step forward in how we capture depth, motion, and immersive visuals. At Insta360's annual company meeting, the CEO briefly unveiled a mysterious new camera. It was only a fleeting glimpse, but that short reveal instantly sparked both excitement and curiosity. Everyone wanted to know what this device could do, yet the details remained tantalizingly vague. Later, Igor Bogdanov shared clearer images and additional information on X, giving us a more concrete idea of what this camera might be. Initially, many people assumed the features belonged to the Pocket 4 Pro. That assumption spread quickly online, fueling rumors and speculation. However, it soon became evident that this was not the case. An apology was issued to correct the misunderstanding. This video, and the coverage around it, now exists primarily to clear up the confusion and address the questions that have been building ever since the first reveal. Shortly after the initial teaser, X Drone Studio released a video that looked impressively real and convincing. A few days later, another version appeared, sharper and cleaner, showing more of the camera in use. Yet even in these clips, the camera body itself was deliberately blurred while being held in hand. You could clearly see the operator's movements and how the device was handled, but the hardware design remained intentionally obscured. This doesn't seem accidental, it feels very deliberate. The company appears to be demonstrating that the camera works without revealing its full design, a strategy that keeps the mystery alive while hinting at serious capabilities. Even without a complete reveal, the footage gives strong hints about the camera's potential. Portrait shots show impressive depth separation, and the background blur resembles what you'd expect from larger professional sensors. This implies that the Luna could house a powerful sensor paired with advanced image processing technology. As for design, no clear modular structure has been revealed so far. If modularity is a key aspect of the Luna system, it hasn't been showcased yet. This could indicate that the company is saving some features for a larger, more dramatic unveiling later. Rumored specifications suggest the camera is capable of 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, with 10-bit color support for smoother, slow-motion footage and better dynamic range. Stabilization could be handled by a 3-axis AI-powered gimbal, which may also assist with subject tracking. Built-in AI tools are expected to help with automatic tracking and fast editing workflows. Battery life is said to reach around 180 minutes with a 1,500 mAh cell, featuring USB-C charging, a rotating touchscreen, and optional ND filter support. Igor also hinted at a dual lens system, a wide-angle primary camera paired with a secondary telephoto lens capable of up to 3 times true optical zoom. The camera may automatically switch between lenses depending on zoom level, while still offering full manual control when desired. Processing is another area that could set the Luna apart. The camera is rumored to feature a dual processor setup. A primary chip handles main image processing, while a secondary pre-ISP chip pre-cleans raw data to reduce noise and balance brightness. A dedicated light sensor continuously monitors the environment, applying full enhancement in low-light conditions while skipping unnecessary processing in bright situations. Overall, the Insta360 Luna remains partially shrouded in mystery, but what has been revealed so far suggests a camera that combines advanced hardware, intelligent AI processing, and professional-level imaging features. It's clear that Insta360 is building anticipation carefully, giving us just enough information to excite enthusiasts while keeping the most impressive elements under wraps.